So, welcome to the Nerdy Traveler. This is the hotel review of Bespoke Roman Suites. And it's a little bit funny because the reception here is not open every day. So therefore it's you have to log in yourself. But it was fairly easy after the check-in, which is for me, I did it 2 days ago, sent my pictures of my passports and my friend's passport, and and we then got an email where we got the codes. So, and this is the room. So this is the surprise that happened. So you have here, you have the entrance, you get the key, you have here. Here you have a little refrigerator with water. There's even water for us. You have a converter and an extra blanket, some freestanding, which is not up to the standard of the Chatter guys, and in the bathroom you have a sink, a bath with a shower, toilet and a bidet and a rack. Then when you come in here, and now I have to make sure that Henrik is not in the shot, but you have here coffee machine, 2 cups, 2 glasses, a cookie. There's a lot of coffee in this for the coffee machine. There's also some sugar. There's an opener. There's a TV. There's a little desk, which I would say. There's a mirror here. There is a chair now with my bags on it, and there is a bed with the towels. Those all good, and you have here the view. So So that's the room review, and I will show you a little more about the area in a little while. This is in Rome. Yeah, we're in Rome. It's all about the ruins, all about the buildings. It's amazing. Right. Hvad er det? So, Colosseum, just here actually. And on the other side, this. So, this is Rome.
Hvem der kom helt der?
You look like an emperor. Love it. The stage is called Arena.
Men prøv at tænke sig det.
Det er utroligt, at jeg bare tager sammen den her.
Sí, los es que a ver. Pero Eva, pero tengo el patillas ya.
La parte de como abajo estaban los estaba cubierto esto.
So.